Well, Judy, why don't you tell us when you decide to become a chef? Oh my god, what the hell?
That's fine.
So, when did you decide to become a chef?
I decided to become a chef when I basically became so entirely disenchanted with my job in finance that I decided to quit everything and enroll in cooking school, and I never looked back. Yeah.
And what would you say is your signature dish, or what do you enjoy?
Oh, Korean fried chicken! Korean fried chicken! So it's my signature dish, to the point I created an entire concept around it, and Seoul Bird, so come and check out the best Korean fried chicken ever.
Definitely.
At one of my places. And we do make a really good damn japchae noodle there too, but it's not with prawns, it's with chicken. I can't wait to feed you.
We can't wait to try it.
There we go.
Okay.
Let's check the seasoning.
Yeah.
Go for it. Yeah.
What would be the one ingredient you can't live without? Chicken?
Oh, the one ingredient I
Yeah.
can't live without. I would say chilies.
Chilies.
I have a serious addiction to hot foods and spice and hot sauces.
Lovely.
I crave it. If I'm in a country that doesn't have spicy food for a while, I'm like, I need some kimchi.
Do you travel around?
I know, right? I need some Tabasco or something. I'm like towards the end, I'm like, do you have Tabasco?
I
do you have Ranchinos? I'm like, do you have harissa? I'm like, I'm like, any kind of like ethnic hot sauce. I'm like, where is it? I need it now. So yeah, that's me.
Makes sense. And what would you say are the 3 tools you use most in the kitchen?
Oh, the 3 tools I use most in the kitchen are my amazing oishi.
Oisha.
Oishi is yummy.
Yeah.
Oisha.
Oisha, just like with an A. Yeah.
Oh, oisha. Okay. The 3 tools I use the most in my kitchen are definitely, first and foremost, my oisha.
Nice. Use the kaiki one.
I use this one. This
The
is
nikiri.
Nikiri.
Yeah.
It's the vegetable knife. It's not just for vegetables. I'm letting the secret out. I use it for everything, not just for veggies. But this is my go-to. My go-to knife. Yeah, she's beautiful. It's a she.
What's her name? What's her name?
Her name is Kimchi. Her name is Kimchi, and she's with me all the time. Yeah, it's kind of like my lightsaber. So I feel like whenever I cook,
Makes sense.
gives it the force, because it makes it extra special. Yeah. So that's definitely one of them. Another tool that I use all the time is my microplane. Is my rasp. So yeah. Let's see, should I bring it out? But this is my microplane, it's pink.
Okay.
Yeah, I put a red tape on it so I know it's
Sure,
mine.
yours.
Nobody steals it, mine. Okay, so I use this a lot also. And gosh, my third thing I would have to say is probably my Vitamix blender. It's really old, it's hanging out back there. But it's like 1980s style. I mean, it's like literally like 15, 16 years old. Probably older than that. They don't even make that model anymore. But it stands the test of time, and I do everything in it, from like shakes, smoothies, soups. Yeah, just blitz it all up. It's kind of satisfying to watch too. It's one of those things, you know, throw things in. I think the commercial, the commercial, I think in the olden days, they used to throw batteries in there and like blitz it. They used to throw like bricks or like stones and stuff like that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
And is there, I have another question.
Yeah.
Do you have any, like tips you would give a home cook? Like the one thing that you've seen non-professional chefs do that you wish you would do better?
Well, for the home cook, I think, especially for women, because let's face it, most of the women are doing cooking, all the cooking at home, is get a good knife. Okay, because it'll make your work so much faster and so much easier and such a joy and pleasure. Like, it's actually nice using a nice knife that's sharp and properly weighted and the right size for you. So that's number 1. Number 2, I would say, is test your food. Just taste. Don't be afraid. Taste it as you go along. Like, I've been tasting these noodles. Every part of the order. So good. And then fix it. Don't be scared. If it tastes good to you, it's a success. There are no rules in cooking. So enjoy, have fun, and get your hands dirty.
That's very nice.
Yeah.
That's really
Cooking is not a spectator sport. Get involved.
perfect.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now we will try it.